Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add audio from TikTok to CapCut PC. Go to menu and go back to your home page and make sure you have logged on to CapCut by using your TikTok account. So I use my TikTok account to log in. Just sign out and sign in again using TikTok if your account isn't logged in with a TikTok account. With a TikTok account, sign in, and you are just going to select sign in with TikTok, and you're just going to select authorize and select open. If this doesn't work for you on the first try, you're just going to do it a couple of times. Select a project or start creating, go to audio and go to TikTok, and this will show up. But not all the songs will be added because of copyright, and you're just going to refresh it. So these are some of the songs that I favorited on my TikTok. If this doesn't show up yet, there's going to be like sync audio with sync TikTok with CapCut, and you're just going to press it again, and it's going to bring you back to a browser page, and you're again going to select authorize, and it's going to redirect you to this page right here. But you do have to log in to TikTok first in order for this to work. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if you want to add the audio, just press add a track if you didn't know how to do that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!